Today, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Teams, whether you need to capture an important message, save a presentation slide, or document a conversation for reference. Knowing how to quickly screenshot in Teams is an essential skill that will save you time and effort. The good news is there are two simple methods you can use, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever works best for your workflow. Let's start with the first method, which is the quickest and most straightforward approach. All you need to do is press the print screen key on your keyboard. This key is usually labeled as PRETEC in or print screen and is typically located in the upper right section of your keyboard. When you press this key, it automatically captures your entire screen, including everything visible on your Microsoft Teams window at that moment. Now that you've captured the screenshot, you'll want to paste it somewhere. To do this, simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This pastes the screenshot directly into any application you're working in, whether that's a Word document, an email, a chat message, or even an image editor. It's a fast and efficient way to grab and share what's on your screen without any extra steps. The second method gives you a bit more control over what you capture, which is especially useful if you only want to screenshot a specific part of your Teams window rather than the entire screen. To use this method, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This activates the snipping tool on your device, and your screen will slightly dim to indicate that the tool is active and ready for you to select an area. Once the snipping tool is activated, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag to select the exact portion of the screen you want to capture. This could be a single message, a participant's video feed, a shared document, or any other specific area within Teams. The flexibility here is really helpful when you want to focus on one particular element without including unnecessary background information. After you've selected and captured the area, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. Just like with the first method, you can paste it by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This will insert the screenshot into whatever application or document you're currently working in. Both methods are incredibly simple and effective. And now you have the tools to capture exactly what you need from your Microsoft Teams meetings and chats. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.